You asked for the whole Latina makeup tutorial, and I'm definitely gonna show off for you. So let's get started.
First thing first, I'm going to start with the eyebrows because the eyebrows are very sharp and well defined. For foundation, I'm using this one from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the cream to powder foundation. The shade looks a little off, but once I set it and I use concealer, this is going to be all right. Concealer, I'm using this one from Swiss Beauty. This is a very light shade, and I'm using this because the look needs to be very highlighted, very blurry. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this on all my highlight points like under eyes, like my under eyes, like my forehead, and also the bridge of my nose. I know this is very 2016, but trust me on this. I blend it along the line of my nose and kind of like in a triangle right under my eyes. And also whatever's left on the brush, I'll pat it on my eyelid so that my eyebrows are also carved out with some loose powder first and then with compact powder. This is more on the yellow tone so that, it matches the skin very well. For the under eyes and highlight, I'm going to use this pink powder so that it has more of like under eye brightening effect because that's exactly what we want. For contour, I'm going to use this cool toned contour shade right here because you want those cheekbones to pop. Actually, the sides of my nose. I'm not looking at the camera because I also need to look at the mirror to figure out if I'm doing it right. While I'm contouring my nose, I'm going to bring up some of the contour right into the front of my eyebrows to give that chisel look all along. I'm going to use something muted, brownish pink, something like this. That the Latina look does not ask for a lot of color, so I'm just going to keep it very light. And even if it looks bright right now, it will come together once the makeup is done. Also, the blush placement is going to be a little higher than usual, not right on your cheeks, but a little higher towards the temple. I'm going to use a mix of these two and place them right on the high points of my cheekbones. To clean my lips, I'm going to use a highlighter right here on my cupid's bow for the extra pop of shine. And some on make it like a 10 on 10 baddie is a dark brown, preferably a dark brown lip liner. And on the outside, because we're going to clean that up after we've done our lipstick, I'm going to use this Bidora lipstick by Shan Cosmetics and blend that right in. Clean up the edges. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer on the concealer brush and go right to wherever I want to clean up.
There you have it, the whole Latina base makeup look. Comment down below on how you like the look and follow for more such looks. And shout out to Vedansh and Pushkar because they asked for this tutorial, and keep following for the eye makeup tutorial coming soon.